Welcome everybody, I am Senge, and today I want to discuss how to deal with distractions. And I call them the weapons of mass distractions. And in today's day and age, everyone gets distracted. I am not above that. I get distracted just as much as the next person. There's so many things to distract us nowadays. There is the internet. There is Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat and all this stuff to distract us. And we have our phones. We have our phones to distract us, our computers, everything that we're doing. There's so many distractions, and I find that a lot of people have a big problem with committing and getting undistracted, right? Willpower, in my opinion, is not enough, right? Willpower is great, motivation is great, but it doesn't last. And it may last for a few hours, and then all of a sudden, boom, we're back on our iPad or iPhone, and we're going away. The next thing we know, we lost an hour out of our day, and you can't do that. If you want to build a business, if you want to build a substantial business, you have to be able to focus. And so I actually want to talk about one of the things that I've been doing that has really, really helped me become extremely, extremely productive. And that's what I call environmental hacking, right? So this is not something new. I did not make this up. I learned this somewhere else. And one of the things of, hacking your environment is to take away those distractions, right? For instance, on my phone, I don't have any social media at all. I don't have Facebook. I don't have Instagram. Sorry, I almost forgot what it was called. Anything like that. I don't use them on my phone. What I have on my phone is very simple. I have, this is my home screen. I have the day and time. I have the weather, a couple of audiobook type things and podcast stuff for my learning. And then just, my clock and a couple of the little things, phone book, my phone and my messages, so I can chat with my wife. And then if you go into my app drawer, I have everything broken down by folders. I put all of my apps in their own separate folder. And I have no real distracting apps. In fact, I find it at times a little bit aggravating, to be honest, because sometimes I want to be distracted, all right? Let's say, I'm out and about, I'm just, taking the dog for a walk, and I want to pick up my phone and do something. I don't have any of that stuff. So it actually makes me more productive because I sit there and go, okay, well, what do I have on my phone? And the only real thing that I have is my business applications. So, here's my applications. Here I've got, a couple, I don't know if you can see this, a couple of calculators. I have my calendar, my clock, documents. I have my, I use a particular task management system. I don't really consider it a to-do list application. And it's called Marvin. And actually, they are sponsoring our videos. And Amazing Marvin, if you just go to amazingmarvin.com and check them out, they are amazing. One of the best things that I love about Amazing Marvin is that it is completely customizable. And that's what I really liked about it, because I cannot stand your traditional to-do list. I absolutely hate to-do lists. I think they're absolutely useless. But Amazing Marvin is truly amazing, and you want to go check that out, all right? So amazingmarvin.com. And then I also use Notion and Workflowy, and I have those actually here. So, when I kind of need that distraction, I just go right back to work because I don't have anything in my environment to distract me. I've taken those away, and that's what environmental hacking or hacking your environment is about. It's you understand yourself well enough that you what your distractions are. You know that you're going to be distracted. So you take away those distractions. Instead of going, well, I'm going to keep those there, and I'm just going to be really, really adamant that I'm not going to be distracted. I'm going to focus, focus, focus. And you get through like 15 minutes, and then boom, you're gone. And you're distracted again for one thing or another. So like on my computer, I don't have any which way to actually access, Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or, any of those distracting websites. I'm on a Mac, and I use a program called Self-Control. And with Self-Control, 24 hours a day, I don't have access to that stuff. Right? It completely blocks it, and there's nothing I can do to get those back. If I restart my computer, I still can't get into those web-based applications. Right? And on my, I cleared out a whole bunch of my applications. My applications folder on my computer was ridiculous. I had some games in there and chess. I love playing chess, and all these different distracting applications, and I got rid of them. I knew that they were distracting me. And, I use a program called Rescue Time. And Rescue Time logs everything that I do. And I realized, I was like, oh, wow, my distractions are climbing. I'm being more distracted. I was on YouTube, or, I was, doing this or doing that. And I wasn't doing what I was supposed to be doing. And it was actually my wife that, made me realize and see that I was getting more distracted. And that's what led me to go into Rescue Time and do an analysis on myself. And so I recommend getting Rescue Time. And all these links I'll put down below so that you can access them. And I used it to look at it and go, oh, wow, I really am being distracted. So what I did, I just got rid of everything. I hacked my environment because I realized that I was having the problem, and I was having a problem focusing. So I took away all the distractions, because what is the opposite of distractions? Well, it's focus and being productive. So, I knew if I just got rid of all of this stuff, that I was going to naturally be more productive. So that's what I did. And, my productivity went through the roof. And, I cleared my desk. I used to have books sitting next to me that, if I was getting distracted, I would just go and I'd start reading these books. And, these books were on marketing, copywriting, stuff like that, advertisements. Or, I'd be playing a game, or, I'd grab my phone and start, going away and getting distracted. And granted, I don't get distracted a whole bunch, but not as much as some. But I still get distracted. I'm just your normal average guy. But I knew that I needed to take those away. So anything in my environment that was distracting me, I got rid of. So, I really, really recommend that, one, you do an analysis of yourself. All right. You really got to dig deep. All right. A lot of us don't like to look at ourselves and go, you know what, Karma, you're being a little... You got to stop this. And we don't like self-reflection. But in order to grow as a person, as a businessman, as a businesswoman, you have to look at yourself and analyze yourself. What is distracting you? Because I guarantee you, if you're not where you want to be, it is your fault. And 100% your fault. And if you're not where you want to be, it's most likely due to you being distracted and not giving it your all. So what I recommend, again, is analyze yourself. And then once you figure out all of your distractions, get rid of them. Hack your environment. If you can't hack you, hack your environment. It makes it so much easier. And, since I did it, my productivity it went crazy. I was getting stuff done in days what would normally have taken me a month to do. All right, normally. It's because I didn't have those distractions. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, please go ahead, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so that you get notifications of new videos. So until next time, guys, I really appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Peace.